Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Andi Rusdayanti from class E. Today I will explain about population and sample. Okay, the first is definition of population. Population it includes all the elements from the data set and measurable characteristics of the population such as mean and standard defined are known as a parameter. There are 4 types of population. The first is finite population. The finite population is also known as a countable population, in which the population can be counted. In other words, it is defined as the population of all the individuals or objects and that are finite. For statistical analysis, the finite population is more advantageous than the infinite population. The second is infinite population. The infinite population is also known as an uncountable population, in which the counting of unit in the population is not feasible. And the third is existent population. The existent population is defined as the population of concrete individuals. In other words, the population whose unit is available in solid form is known as existent population. And the last is hypothetical population. The population in which whose unit is not available in solid form is known as the hypothetical population. A population consists of set of observation objects that are all something in common. In some situations, the population are only hypothetical. Okay, the second is definition of sample. Sample it includes one more observation that are drawn from the population and the measurable characteristic of a sample in a statistic. Sampling is the process of selecting the sample from the population. For example, some people living in India is the sample of the population. And there are 2 types of sampling. The first is probability sampling. In probability sampling, the population units cannot be selected at the discretion of the researcher. This can be dealt with following certain procedure, which will ensure that every unit of the population consists of the one fixed probability being included in the sample. Such as a method is also called random sampling. Some of the techniques used for probability sampling are simple random sampling, cluster sampling, stratified sampling, and proportionate sampling. And the second is non-probability sampling. In non-probability sampling is the population unit can be selected at the discretion of research. Those sample will use the human for selecting unit and has no theoretical basis for estimating the characteristic of the population.